Upgrading your Wisely card is straightforward but requires identity verification. First, log in to your myWisely account and click Upgrade Card next to your balance. Review your contact information and confirm. Then enter your date of birth and Social Security number. Next, prepare a government-issued photo ID and a selfie. Choose to receive instructions via email or text, then follow the secure link to accept the biometric screening consent. Upload your photo ID, take a selfie, and submit both for review. Make sure you complete this process within 14 days, or your account may be closed. Once submitted, a Wisely representative will verify your identity. Congratulations! You've completed the upgrade. You're watching the RapidGuide channel. Follow for more quick finance tips.